Once upon a time, in Grammar Kingdom, King Grammar was paid an unexpected visit by a most unusual guest.
King Grammar, a messenger has arrived from Pronoun Town to see you.
Send him in.
Hello, mine king. Me have come to yours castle to deliver a message from me owner.
Say again.
A note from Prince Dan D. Lyons.
Dear King Grammar, me am so grateful for all you've done for we. Now that doesn't sound right. Please accept this gift as a token of mine appreciation. Us, the citizens of Pronoun Town, pronounce King Grammar the greatest king of they all. Oh, I'm afraid I didn't teach the good citizens of Pronoun Town all there is to know about pronouns. Steward, ready my horse. I must return to Pronoun Town.
Me want to go too.
Oh, dear.
And so, King Grammar traveled back to Pronoun Town on his royal horse, Traveler.
Don't forget about I.
And the parrot, too.
King Grammar! What a pleasant surprise! What brings you here to visit we?
That is why I have returned.
I'm afraid me am confused.
So I hear. You see, last time I visited, I showed you how a pronoun can be used in place of a noun.
And what a time saver it has been.
It sure has.
His agrees, her agrees, them agree. Us all agree.
Yes. Well, now I've come back to explain that you must also be sure to choose the right pronoun for what it is you're saying.
Have us done something wrong?
You see, different kinds of pronouns are used for different purposes. For example, you wouldn't say, have us done something wrong? You would say, have we done something wrong? And you wouldn't say, his agrees, her agrees, them agree, us all agree. You would say, he agrees, she agrees, they agree, we all agree.
Ah, me understand now.
Not quite. You wouldn't say, me understand. You would say, I understand. Just like I wouldn't say, me am the king, listen to I. This is me crown, or this horse is me too. Rather, I would say, I am the king, listen to me. This is my crown, and this horse is mine too.
Ah, now I truly do understand.
Yay!
Listen to them. They understand too. We are all so grateful you have returned to show us the proper way to use pronouns. Please accept this gift as a token of our appreciation.
We, the citizens of Pronoun Town, pronounce King Grammar the greatest king of them all. Thank you, good people of Pronoun Town. I will treasure your gift forever.
And so, King Grammar headed back to his castle, having taught the correct way to use pronouns to all of the inhabitants of Pronoun Town.
Me hope you come back soon. What me say?